Have you ever wondered if you can build an online business on Carousell? If you want to find out, then you gotta keep on watching. Hi guys! Welcome back to Supermom TV, and today is another episode of Q&A Friday. Today's question is by Catherine. Her channel is K Mechanics TV and she shares about her cancer survivor story. Her channel is mostly on health and fitness, so I will leave her channel link in the description down below so to check her out. So this is her question. I have a Carousell and sell things conventionally, not dropshipping. Because what I think is dropshipping will take quite a long time as customer wants ready product on hand. Can you share if I can switch to a dropshipping as well? I do have an eBay account, but abandoned. Can I make it alive again? I am inspired by you. Willing to learn from you on how to get a consistent profit from this online marketing. Thank you so much. Hi Catherine! Thank you so much for submitting your question for this week. And I'm truly happy that you are inspired by my e-commerce videos. I will answer the first part of her question, and to answer that is yes, you can do a dropshipping business on Carousell. This is what we call manual dropshipping. However, you can't dropship your own second-hand items. So for those who are not familiar with Carousell, it is an online marketplace in Singapore for buying and selling of new and second-hand goods. It is well known for people to sell their pre-loved items, to declutter their home, and to find new owners to put them back in good use. I like to sell my used baby items on Carousell because baby grow very fast and most of the things like baby cot or baby walker are no longer needed. As for new items, you definitely can do the dropshipping way, whereby you don't need to buy any supplies in bulk or you don't even need to ship it yourself. So how to dropship on Carousell? I have done this during my first year of doing dropshipping. Back in year 2015, I was doing my furniture dropshipping business on Carousell and Facebook when I first started because these platforms are free. As my revenue grew, I started to build an e-commerce website for my furniture business in order to run the store on autopilot, or in other words, to help capture the buyer's details and to receive payment through payment gateways. Back then, Carousell do not have any online payment feature like the new caroupay, so I had to handle the payment via online transfer manually, and this can be very tedious. Caroupay is Carousell's in-app payment feature that allows instant payment for items bought from Carousell through credit or debit card or even DBS Pay lah. Caroupay ensures that payment is held by Carousell until both seller and buyer are satisfied with the whole transaction. So Singapore online business owners can now have another e-commerce platform because they can sell their products with a peace of mind. Carousell is no longer just a buy-sell second-hand item platform, but it has also become an online marketplace for businesses to advertise their products and services. The categories of items for sale are endless, from small household items to cars and even properties. So, the way to do a dropshipping business on Carousell is to find a local supplier of the product that you want to sell and make a proposal to the supplier. Clinch a deal with them that you want to sell their product online and will forward every order to them. All you need to do is to negotiate the best price with the supplier so that you can have a higher profit margin. Most of the time, the supplier will be more than happy to agree to your offer. What I did was I searched the business directory, which is the yellow pages and the green book, to look for my suppliers. Now moving on to the second part of her question. I do have an eBay account but abandoned. Can I make it alive again? The answer to this is yes. But then again, If the account is deactivated, you can always create a new account. I hope I've answered all your questions, and thank you again for submitting your questions to me. Please do not hesitate to ask me more questions regarding this topic if you have any. So guys, if you are interested to check out my other Q&A Friday videos, you can click here and subscribe to me here to stay updated of my weekly content. I will see you on my next one. Bye!